YouTube? It's Greg Campbell. I'm back with another quick video of my new amp. This is the Randall Diavlo RD20. Getting some sick tones out of this thing today. Got the tubes nice and hot. Been on for about a good maybe 20 minutes. And my favorite part about this amp is the boost setting. It's got a clean. Go over that in the last video. Let's get some clean here. Can add effect to your clean. Some reverb. Can add some delay to your clean. Alright, you got a crunch setting. That is the Randall RD20 crunch setting. My favorite, if you can hear a little extra noise coming there, nothing drastic, but that's the boost setting. Mike Fortin designed the circuitry of these amps, and he's no longer with Randall. He's obviously got Fortin amplification, but the circuitry on these is phenomenal. We can go back to the crunch real quick. Crunch setting. Crunch setting. Fortin boost, as I call it. Incredible. Randall RD20, designed by Mike Fortin. And I just brought her into the studio 2 days ago, and I'm already impressed with the tone. It's a little on the warmer side than I usually use, but that can be easily changed with adjusting the bias on the amp, or replacing tubes if you want to get different tones and stuff like that. But all in all, just toy around and play with the dials. Dial in your own tone. Take the time. It's still kind of rich, but you know what? I got the bass. Right now, this afternoon, I have the bass. I had it different in last night's video, but right now I'm running the bass. It looks like it's at about 7, middles at about 4, trebles at about maybe 8.5, and presence is buried. We're on 11. But I hope you guys enjoy this quick little, it's not even a review, just a tone test or what have you, and keep rocking. Thank you guys for all the comments. I really appreciate them, and I try to answer everybody's, and appreciate the feedback. No pun intended, but if you like the tones you hear, you want to achieve your own tones, ask me questions. I'll try and help out, and just keep rocking. That's what it's all about. Get your own sounds, get your own colors, get your own textures, and write sick music. Thank you guys.